Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fusion Next Gen Learning. Today I am going to demonstrate how to change Redwood theme. In 20C release, Oracle has released the Redwood theme which you can set based upon the business requirement. Once Oracle applied this 20C release, if you are using the default theme, then it get automatically changed to the Redwood theme. If you are using other customized theme, then it won't be apply automatically. For achieve this requirement, you have to apply the default Redwood theme and then get it done. If you are using the sky blue or other theme, then it won't be automatically get applied. So how to achieve this? For that, to achieve any theme, you have to have the enable the sandbox. Without the sandbox, you cannot achieve this requirement. So you can see I have already enabled the sandbox, and sandbox is active. Now go to the navigator. Under the navigator, you have to go to the configuration. Under the configuration, you have the appearances. So appearances in my earlier videos already I demonstrated the complete what is the appearance, how to achieve this requirement, and how to change the theme and complete related to the theme settings. You can refer that videos. Now to default to the Redwood theme, you can click on the actions. Under the actions, you have the apply default. So you can click on that. Once you click on the apply default, system automatically prompt you the Redwood theme. You can set the logo, your customer, your business logo based upon the customer requirement. Only thing is that if you are using the any logo, that logo must be transparent because the base is black. So if you are using non-transparent logo, then it will be reflected on to the UI. So always try to use the transparent image, the logo, so that it will enhance the visibility of the branding logo. Okay, you can see that logo and the cover page would be defaulted, and then click on the apply. Once you click on apply, system will ask you to set the theme name. So whenever you are changing any kind of theme, system prompt you to set it up the different name, so that whenever there is a requirement, or maybe you want to set the difference between the development environment and the production environment, you can set two themes. Based upon that environment, you can set it up and apply, so that system user won't be confused later point of time when they perform the transaction or they are doing the testings. So let's suppose I am setting up the theme name Redwood test and click on OK. Once I clicked on OK, system will prompt and apply the theme to the UI. And if you go to the home page, you can see the Redwood theme get applied, and you can see how it looks like. If you go to the any tab, let's suppose I'm going to the receivable and I click on the billing, you can see there will be this is complete the enhanced UI. It gives user more user friendly. They feel the navigations. You can also see the favorite get a day. Earlier it was the one of the bug that Oracle has fixed into this release. So this is how you can achieve the Redwood theme requirement. You can feel, you can see Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel Fusion Labs and Learning. Please subscribe and hit bell icon to get more deep dive videos, more tips and tricks from the Fusion. Thank you.